Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Spark 10 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now that being said, performing this will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't know. I do have a pattern set for this purpose, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know it. And number one, we're going to hold our power button and select power off. And when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Once you see the logo, let go of the power button, keep holding volume up. Then you'll see Android with no command, exactly like this one. Once you do, hold the power button and press volume up once, which will then redirect you to the recovery mode. And in here, using volume buttons, either up or down, you want to select wipe data factory reset and then confirm it using your power button and select factory data reset. It will give you a message that it's formatting data, and in a moment we should see, there we go, data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So we're just going to press power button to confirm that, and it will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Now, because it is continuing the reset, it's going to take a little bit longer to boot back up. Don't worry, that's completely normal. Once everything is finished, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So there's one last thing that I will mention right now, which just appeared. If you see that little lock up here in the corner, that means that your device is FRP locked. Now, probably should have started off with this message, but basically what that refers to is that when I'm going through the setup process, the device will force me to verify either the previously used screen lock or the previously logged in Google account. Now, typically that would be one of the ways that you can unlock the device and finish up the setup. Otherwise, you would be stuck on the setup screen. But there's also a way to bypass this, which I'll be recording in the next video for people that don't know either one of those and just want to bypass it and then completely remove it. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.